Honey, you did it again. This French toast is molecularly perfect.
Sports monkey, how was school?
Failed another test.
Ooh, an F+. Good for you, sweetums. We're so proud of you.
How'd you like that, huh? Take that, that. 5 down, 1 to go. Huh? That's it. Time for a top-off.
Honey, dinner.
Not now, you nerd! Dinner. Busy right here. Something's wrong! Time to take you down.
Oh no! Help me, please! I lost control crossing the street!
Do not worry, citizen! I am here to help you. Though advanced in age, she is certainly spry. Great Hera, she is heading for the bridge!
Once she's almost on the bridge, time for phase 2. Phase 3. Draw the attention of the city's other super losers, whoever they are.
I'll get Z on the phone.
Right where I need you.
Huh?
That was weird.
You okay? What happened? What a bizarre place for a pictograph.
This is just like crop circles, only downtown instead of like cornfields. Which I always thought was weird because why would aliens be interested in corn? But I saw this guy like, talking about them and...
Perfect. Now to pulverize you with my fusion-powered Destructo Beam 24,000!
Enter code.
This is it. Huh?
Enter code.
No, not yet!
Input incorrect.
No, 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 no!
Input incorrect.
I heard it the first time!